Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Erica. Welcome to my space. So as you can see from the title, we are going to be doing a press on nail review and application. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful nail look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so the nails come in this packaging, which is super cute, and it has her logo on it as well as her Instagram, and Facebook and Twitter, and also her website. So in the packaging, I did not show her nail box in the beginning. I don't know why or whatever, but it is at the end of the video, so definitely stay tuned. So in this package, you get your nail file, your orange stick, some glue, an alcohol pad, and you get a nail buffer, which is great. I used everything but the nail glue. She also has some nail tabs. Did I say that right? Nail tabs, which I used for the very first time. And let me tell you, I struggled. I ain't gonna lie. I had to go on YouTube and figure it out. But I figured it out, and I actually like the nail tabs because I don't feel like I have to have these nails on every single day. I like to pop them on some days, and I like to pop them off the next day, you know. But I'm just starting out by buffing my nails, and with nail buffing, all you're doing is removing excess oils, and I'm using an alcohol pad just to clean up everything. You want to start out with a good base, a good clean base, and you want to remove any oils or anything on the nail bed so that your nails can stick on and last a little bit longer. So here I'm just using that orange stick, and I'm just going to be pushing back my cuticles. Just the usual. If you do your nails, you know the deal. But if you are new, it just push back your cuticles. So here I'm just showing you guys how thick or thin the nails are, and just kind of showing you guys the shape. This was the very first time I've chosen, what is this, like coffin style? I normally do an almond nail, or I'm more so a stiletto almond girl. So I was like, let me try out this coffin square shape, I guess that's what you call it. Y'all know I ain't no nail tech, so but it was cute. Like, it was really cute. So here I'm just applying the nail tabs directly to the nail. Yeah, to the nail. Oh god, I feel like I'm crazy right now. I was trying to apply the nail tabs to my nail, and when I went to go peel the plastic, the whole thing would come off. And let me tell y'all, I did this 10 times. I used 10 nail tabs and wasted them. So I had to get on YouTube to figure something out before I ran completely out. So yeah, we're just applying the tabs to the nail. One thing I will say is that the nails did not fit perfectly. They were not perfectly my size, and that is definitely my fault. I actually gave her my personal measurements using another set of nails I had, and they were slightly off, but you could not tell the difference. So yeah, I also like to go in and do the other hand just so it can go a little faster for me. And then y'all got a little fancy, you know. I got a little tweezers. I know I use the tweezers because the nails are so long. It was hard to pick up the nail, y'all. Like, it was so hard. Y'all know the struggle with long nails. So I just like grabbed some tweezers, and I used that to help me out. Do what you gotta do to get what you want, child. All right, y'all, so the nails are all on and we are looking cute. Okay, we clickety clack clack on the help. Let me stop. But y'all, these nails are so pretty, and all I'm doing is just buffing the little tips of it, and I'm going to be adding some oil. I think it was either almond oil or jojoba oil. I cannot remember. Oh, it's sweet almond oil. Is it? Oh, grapes. Girl, don't listen to me. I think it's my grapeseed oil. I got so many oils, it's ridiculous. But I'm just adding those to the cuticle area. Just give it a nice little polish. And y'all, these are the nails. Definitely check out her website. She is bombing. She also sells glitters, which I used in previous videos. So yeah, definitely follow her on Instagram. Okay, look at this. Cute, right?